Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will talk about how to invite friends to custom maps and play with your friend. Let's go to custom games first. Now we will invite our friend. Right click on your friend, click on invite, and after your friend has received the invite, he should join the party. Here he is. Now we'll play start match. Now pick any agent you want. Now you will have yourself your very own custom game. And now, in order to accept an invitation from your friend, just wait for your friend's invitation and click on join party. That is how you can join your friend. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.